तारू क्या आवाज़ है यार, सबसे पहले तो लाइक मतलब लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट, व्हाट अ वॉइस. आई वांट टू जस्ट स्टार्ट बाय सेइंग दैट आई हैड स्विच्ड ऑन द एपिसोड एंड आई हैड एक कुकर की सीटी बज रही थी, तो आई हैड टू रश टू द किचन एंड आई वाज लाइक ये कौन है. व्हेन आई केम बैक इट जस्ट कुडंट मैच बिकॉज अगेन what a great voice you have and again we've all heard you sing.
से भी बेहतर आवाज.
हाँ, this is a show that you're leading. कांतिलाल एक बहुत ही अहम किरदार है, तो आपके लिए जब ये मौका आया क्या एक सेकंड के लिए भी लगा कि नहीं मुझे नहीं करना?
If there's anything good that I've done, it's probably him, and if there's anything you don't like, it's probably me.
Can I say the same thing? If there's anything good, it's probably them. If there's anything bad, it's probably me.
It's true. It's मैं बहुत डरा हुआ था. मैं इतना डरा हुआ था. मैं एक दिन आके, पता है हमारी वर्कशॉप्स चल रही थी, बहुत हमारे हेक्टिक रिहर्सल्स हो रहे थे और मुझे सच में लगा कि मुझसे तो नहीं होगा ये. मैं कहाँ आ गया. मैं एक टाइम पे तो मैं राम सर के पास गया और मैं एक दिन वन डे आई ब्रोक. मैं रोने लग गया कि मुझसे नहीं, मैं कैसे करूँ ये, मतलब मुझसे. बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट सिर्फ मैं नहीं डरा हूँ.
So even I was scared. Not for them, but for all of us.
Yeah,
I mean, how are we
yeah.
going to do this whole show?
When you were asked to play this किरदार, ये खास तौर से जहाँ पर आप एक बहुत ही अहम भूमिका निभा रही हैं and of course you have to be a certain way. What was your process like?
You know, the first time when I came to meet Ram sir, he had thrown two things at me. First one was that it was his process of shooting in 360. Yeah. That was the system 360. And the second thing that he had thrown at me was that will you be comfortable not getting your threading done, not waxing, and just like looking. And I remember constantly in those dark black hair, which was something probably women had at that time. I had longer and bushier eyebrows. I had no lashes. I was just always without
You're
makeup.
Still looking beautiful, yeah.
Thank you.
I know, we can't
Thank
recognize
you.
you any longer.
There always comes a lot of self-doubt when you're saying yes to a project, and which is what transforms into fear most of the times.
There are all kinds of people, some who like self-doubt, some who don't like self-doubt. Okay, some who say, no, you have to be confident, etc. You have to enjoy it, you have to be happy, etc. I like self-doubt. Okay, I think that self-doubt is a good thing, as long as it's not self-debilitating, as long as it does not take you away. But I'm constantly questioning, I'm constantly doubting, I'm constantly asking my team, how was it? Was it okay? Was it not okay? I'm constantly asking all of us.
He is anything but strict.
Yeah.
But at the same time, there is nothing that is actually done against his will. Imagine a director who is the first time I work with somebody like that. I have never seen him yell. I have never seen any kind of screaming, shouting, anything on set.
I don't scream in front of you all. You ask my team and screaming at them all the time.
I don't want to know only. I don't want to know only.
वहाँ से हंसी आई मुझे.
No, I'm talking about a set atmosphere. Okay, as actors, we see a lot of screaming that happens on set. But we have never seen that. He's never lost his cool at us. He's not gotten mad at us if we've like made a mistake. None of that. But it's always been his way. That's the kind of command he's had without being strict and without being, the person who's trying to say that I am in power and you will do what I say. Wow. Hi, this is Nikita Datta.
Hi, this is Taruk Raina.
Hi, this is Sahil Mehta.
Hello, namaste, this is Bhavsheel.
Hi, I'm Ram Madhwani.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
A fresh perspective to history that we've learned for is what this show is all about. Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Hungama. My name is Urmin. How are you all doing?
Very good, Urmin. How are you doing?
Very, very, very well. तारुक आप आज धोती पहन कर नहीं आए?
हाँ, आज थर्सडे है ना, मेरा पैंट्स का डे है.
लेकिन इंडियन, हम सब लोग ने इंडियन पहना है.
बहुत बहुत बढ़िया.
और हम हाय नहीं बोलेंगे, हम नमस्ते
ओहो,
बोलेंगे.
आप सभी को भी नमस्ते. It's so good to see you all. I have had the privilege to watch the first episode of this show and I must say, Ram sir, I don't know what the magic is that you always create to take us back in time. So thank you. मैं सबसे पहले आपसे शुरुआत करना चाहूँगी कि ये जो आइडिया था, ये कॉन्सेप्ट जब आप तक पहुँचा या फिर आपने इसके बारे में सोचा, क्या चैलेंजेस थे आपके मन में? बिकॉज to put light to an event which is so close to us, we have read about it, but to give it a different perspective must have been challenging.
Well, first, my co-writers Shantanu Srivastav and Shatrujit Nath, we've been at it for about 5 years, and also thanks to Sony Live Kashogoto and Danish have been part of it now also. And basically, when you're watching it, you should not feel that it's a historical. You should feel that आप उसी ज़माने में you are an observer in 1919 itself. So everything that the actors have done, they've done a great job. Like, shout out to my team, like great work from all 4 of them. I'm very happy with the kind of reality and truth that they brought to the youth of that time, because this is a show about the youth. It's about 4 friends who are within that situation. And also, this is not really about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It's about the conspiracy. हम लोग काफ़ी लोग ने बनाया है Jallianwala Bagh के ऊपर, and it's a हत्याकांड that you need to remember. तो हमने massacre actually दिखाया भी नहीं है. We have actually done it with dignity, but it's really about like you've seen कि एक hunter commission जो investigation किया कि Jallianwala Bagh क्यों हुआ, उसके पहले क्यों हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ. So it's really about that. But more than anything else, it's a fictional story inspired by true events, but it's about 4 friends and about one very strong woman.
I must say that what has moved most of us when they watch it also, and of course me, is the casting. I mean, I think you've made sure that the story is the king, the most important part, and with characters like yourself, everybody comes to life so beautifully.
No, thank you to Sony Live for supporting that choice of casting and for believing in the show, because in a way I wanted them to feel like as if they, like it should not, these are people that we have seen before and in incredibly good roles. At the same time, this to me is their breakout role. Okay, so for all of them, this is their breakout role.
Definitely. I'd like to start from my left, Nikita. We've seen you in such wonderful characters, such glamorous roles. When you were asked to play this किरदार, ये खास तौर से जहाँ पर आप एक बहुत ही अहम भूमिका निभा रही हैं, and of course you have to be a certain way. What was your process like?
The first time when I came to meet Ram sir, he had thrown 2 things at me. First one was that it was his process of shooting in 360. That was the system 360. And the second thing that he had thrown at me was that will you be comfortable not getting your threading done, not waxing, and just like looking. And I remember I just like took a breath for a second, and I was just like, okay, I wasn't prepared for this. And in a second, I mean, I felt like there was nothing to think. It was a no-brainer, and I was like, okay, no, bring it on. I very easily said it when I met him, because of course there's this excitement of you are sitting in front of such a big filmmaker and the person saying welcome. So it's a no-brainer, you say yes to that. I feel like when I actually entered it and the process started, to be comfortable with myself, to be looking that way, actually took me a while. Because when you're in your outfit, when you're in character, it's great. But then you're also stepping out of your outfit and you're going back to your daily life. I feel that was a bit of the struggle for me, and not the one while I was in character, because I was constantly in those dark black hair, which was something probably women had at that time. I had longer and bushier eyebrows. I had no lashes. I was just always without
You're
makeup.
still looking beautiful, yeah.
Thank you.
No, we can't
Thank
recognize you any longer.
That's the first thing you told me today. I can't recognize you like
Are you
this.
guys saying go back to that look?
So I'll tell you, but then while the process of it in front of the camera, I can't tell you how free and liberated I have felt, because not once I've been conscious about the fact that there is makeup on my face or there's something in my eyes, there's an eyeliner. So many times, like when you and I are sitting, and you as a girl will completely relate to this, we are so conscious about touching our eyes.
Sure, yeah.
The lash will get spoiled, the liner will get spoiled. Like right now I'm just like, okay, no, my hair, it has to be the certain way. I had none of these hectic situations when I was in my character. I wasn't afraid of rubbing my face, rubbing my eye, doing anything.
Yeah.
And he, as in his wise words, he always says that sweat and dirt is gold. don't take it away. Okay, so we weren't allowed like dabs in the middle of a scene. And imagine we are shooting in heat, we are shooting on the streets, it is dirty, there is dust on you. No, you're not going to get clean because that is how it is supposed to be. So I just feel in front of the camera, I have never felt this free and never enjoyed this process. I don't know when am I going to get to do something like this again. Completely sold for it.
Well, you aced it. It was
Thank
so
you.
good. There is a portion, without giving any spoilers, where you're dancing and you could see that you're not out of your character.
Yeah.
You're just like in the zone, enjoying. जो आपका किरदार करता वही कर रही थी आप. So it was
जी.
very good.
Thank you.
तारू क्या आवाज है यार सबसे पहले तो like मतलब let's start with that. What a voice. I want to just start by saying that I had switched on the episode and I had एक कुकर की सीटी बज रही थी तो I had to rush to the kitchen and I was like ये कौन है? When I came back it just couldn't match because again what a great voice you have and again we've all
कुकर
heard
के
you
सीटी
sing.
से भी बेहतर आवाज है।
हाँ सीटी की आवाज को मैंने शांत किया because I wanted to hear your voice. But tell us that were you nervous because this is a show that you're leading. कांतिलाल एक बहुत ही अहम किरदार है तो आपके लिए जब ये मौका आया क्या एक सेकंड के लिए भी लगा कि नहीं मुझे नहीं करना कि you were all in.
एक सेकंड was I nervous? ये जो सवाल है ना मुझे सच में शायद कभी कभी अभी भी यकीन नहीं होता है कि मैं ये कर पाया हूँ honestly I don't know what made Ram sir believe in me that I could actually do this but it's truly all him. If there's anything good that I've done it's probably him and if there's anything you don't like it's probably me. It's obviously one of the biggest.
Can I say the same thing? If there's anything good, it's probably them. If there's anything bad, it's probably
No,
me.
it's true. मैं बहुत डरा हुआ था. मैं इतना डरा हुआ था. मैं एक दिन आके पता है हमारी वर्कशॉप्स चल रही थी. बहुत हमारे हेक्टिक रिहर्सल्स हो रहे थे. और मुझे सच में लगा कि मुझसे तो नहीं होगा ये. मैं कहाँ आ गया? मैं एक टाइम पे तो मैं राम सर के पास गया और मैं एक दिन one day I broke. मैं रोने लग गया कि मुझसे नहीं मैं कैसे करूँ ये मतलब मुझसे but then I realized that सिर्फ मैं नहीं डरा हुआ.
Even I was scared. Not for them, but for all of us.
Yeah,
I mean, how are we
yeah.
going to do this whole show?
Sure.
So,
And that made my fear go away. And then I realized that I need to go all out on it because it's not just about as actors हम सबसे ज्यादा visible part है लेकिन हम बहुत ही छोटा part है इस process का.
Correct.
We are a very small part of a very big thing.
True.
And there are a lot of people जो behind the scenes बहुत काम कर रहे हैं ताकि हम ठीक से काम कर सकें. So the least we can do is put in our effort and do justice to or try to do justice to what we are supposed to do. So I
but
think
the thing is that in Nirja there is a line that says, "Fear gave her courage."
Yeah.
There is nothing wrong with fear. I think we should accept our fears. We should embrace our fears. And I'm constantly scared. I think it's good to be scared.
Sure.
And I think that's what, when you embrace that fear, which is what he did and which is what even I did, not because of them, but because of what we ourselves, when we're taking on a film of a series of this scale.
Would you agree? Would you say that there always comes a lot of self-doubt when you are saying yes to a project, and which is what transforms into fear most of the times?
So there are all kinds of people, some who like self-doubt, some who don't like self-doubt. Okay, some who say, no, you have to be confident, etc. You have to enjoy it, you have to be happy, etc. I like self-doubt. Okay, I think that self-doubt is a good thing. As long as it's not self-debilitating, as long as it does not take you away. But I'm constantly questioning, I'm constantly doubting. I'm constantly asking my team, how was it? Was it okay? Was it not okay? I'm constantly asking all of us. And I don't think there's anything wrong with self-doubt, provided it does not become something which actually, in a way, sort of stops you from functioning.
So would you guys all
what do you all
agree
think
to the
about
fact that
self-doubt?
the director
I
was
think I
100%.
completely agree. I am a very
कैसा था? अच्छा था? इंटरव्यू अच्छा था आज?
स्ट्रिक्ट थे कि ये अभी बोलने के लिए बोल
avid
रहे
carrier of self-doubt. But no, what Ram sir is saying is completely right. You know, it is the collective fear that gave us courage. In the show, you know, you'd see Kantilal Sani go through a massive journey.
Actually, his journey is from a suit to dhoti.
Yeah.
ये उसकी journey.
And you know, one day Ram sir told me that the price of maturity is the loss of innocence, and that is the journey that we followed as
Sweet
like
if you
all
can remember,
of us.
yeah. That because it is actually of all our journeys, right? That in life we are from innocent, you become mature, but what do you lose? You lose the price of maturity is the loss of innocence.
Wow.
And so across the board, all of us went through that journey. You know, towards the
As long as you don't become cynical.
yeah. You know,
Yeah,
towards the
important.
second half of the series, because of the space I was in as an actor also, and the space that the character was in, he literally had lost everything and had nothing to lose. I had also lost my inhibitions. I had lost my, like, you know, being conscious about things. I'd lost. I had nothing to lose, and you had to put in that emotion, and that was exactly where he brought me. And it might seem like it happened organically, but he did that. He did that. He planned everything.
ये देखो ये जो बड़ा हाथ जो है यहाँ
ये आपका
ये मेरा हाथ है.
Should be a poster of Ram sir doing this to all four of us.
You know, he devised every plan. Every time he had to rattle us. Every time he had to pick us up. Every time he had to, he properly planned everything so that we fit into that space that we needed.
You know, he actually had the key to all of us. Is now what I'm realizing also.
And he did let us know. I mean, towards the
Yeah.
end, I figured it out. And then it was like a game. But
Oh, did I really? Is that, let's just be self-doubtful about that, please.
yeah, if self-doubt can bring you here, then why not?
Exactly, you know.
but he planned everything out for all of us.
Wow.
You know, but to answer the question of him being strict, he is anything but strict.
Yeah.
But at the same time, there is nothing that is actually done against his will. Imagine a director who is the first time I work with somebody like that. I have never seen him yell. I have never seen any kind of screaming, shouting,
No,
anything
I
on
don't
set.
scream in front of you all. You ask my team and scream with them all.
No,
I
sir,
don't
we
want
saw,
to
we
know
saw.
only. I don't want to know only.
वहाँ से हंसी आई मुझे.
No, I'm talking about a set atmosphere. Okay, as actors, we see a lot of screaming that happens on set. You know, but we have never seen that. He's never lost his cool at us. He's not gotten mad at us if we like made a mistake. None of that. But it's always been his way. That's the kind of command
No,
he's
but-
had without being strict and without being, you know, the person who's trying to say that I am in power and you will do what I say.
No, but you know what? I think that I don't know how to act. I don't know how to light. I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to do music. I just know one thing, which I try through various ways. I try and see how I can inspire, and if that's my job. But sometimes you have to inspire through different. Like you can turn around and say, "Lovely, lovely Ram. It's so nice that you inspire people." But then, how do you do that? And I think that is really what. There are various ways to inspire.
You have a brilliant
Just
team.
now you saw that poster,
Exactly.
yes.
No, but one, I inspire because I have a team out there who's
Yes, yes,
actually making sure that this whole thing happens. Okay, and then there's also sometimes various uses of this humor. That's a good inspiration, as you've seen today, to just keep it easy, to keep it light, and because it is we are full of anxiety, right? Self-doubt is good, anxiety is good. These are all good. Lack of confidence is good.
Today's session feels like a learning.
आपने
Actors 101.
You have not come for an interview. You
And then just
come for a motivation talk.
आज हम हाँ motivation talk के लिए आए हैं. Sahil, again, you know, when you come, you bring light to your character. एक तरीके से मतलब you could feel that, you know, he's going to come and there's going to be so much that's going to happen. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी क्योंकि आपका किरदार भी एक बहुत important है, हिस्ट्री इवेंट्स को कवर करता है. Can you tell us that what are the things that you managed to learn during the course of this series that शायद हमारी हिस्ट्री की किताबों में भी आपको पता नहीं था या फिर इससे पहले आपने सुना नहीं था?
I'm not too sure what all I can say, but I play Allah Baksh, who's a journalist,
Yeah.
and who runs a
You're playing Allah Baksh?
yeah. So I play a journalist who's running a press, and Nikita's character Poonam. So you both are running the press. It was a very new character for me, like how a press is run, what does a journalist goes through, like what happens daily in his daily routine, and for all of that, I went to like a real press. We shot in a real press.
Yeah.
Purana
But you must
Hamachi.
see, when you see his hands, you'll find that there is ink on his hands in every scene.
Yes.
That there
Yes,
is
yes,
black ink
yes.
on his hands. So that means that I didn't say that, he did that by himself. And like I said, अरे ये काला क्या है? ये ink है sir, press का ink है.
Like we only know like normal days, like usual days, printers, right? But हमें ये नहीं पता कि ब्रिटिश के टाइम पे कौन से printers यूज होते हैं. तो वहाँ पर genuinely तब की machines अभी भी पड़ी हैं, well maintained. तो I went there and I learned कि किस तरह वो लोग प्रिंट करते हैं. वो छोटे छोटे अल्फ़ाबेट्स, वो जो उनके ब्लॉक्स हैं, उनको वो जोड़ते हैं, उसको बनाते हैं और वो प्रिंट करते हैं. तो उससे अगर वो लोग, उनके मैंने हाथ देखे कि वो दे वर डर्टी, वो पानी से भी धुलेंगे नहीं. अगर आप पूरे दिन काम करके घर जाएंगे, हाथ धोएंगे, वो जाएगा नहीं. सो आई लाइक राम सर गोज इन डिटेल्स. तो मैंने भी थोड़ा जो मुझसे हुआ.
Wow.
Let's see your fingernails. You also, you're from the press. You have.
नहीं सर, वो वाली fingernails नहीं है.
अच्छा वो नहीं आजकल.
अब सिर्फ जुबान चल रही है. हाँ बख्शील, आपका जो किरदार है, for people who will watch it will know that how challenging it is for you, because you are playing a character who is a certain way. Let's just
हाँ
say
जी,
that.
yes, yes.
तो जब आप अपने किरदार पे काम कर रहे थे, can you take us through, what were the things that you were going through and how did you process it?
I'm not used to having one hand. ओ बड़ी वो तो सिंपल सी बात है. But
And we made sure it was the right hand.
It was the right hand.
Yeah, which is really very important because that's something which was something which we like, because if you lose a hand,
Yeah.
then your dominant hand, when you lose that
Correct,
hand,
correct, yeah.
and then for him to do everything, which you'll see as you continue watching the show. So, and it's very, what he went through was very uncomfortable, obviously. Because
तो ऑफ कैमरा भी आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे उसी तरीके से, like you were making sure that you're not using your right hand?
हाँ जी, एक्चुअली जब हमारी वर्कशॉप्स और रिहर्सल्स हो रही थी, सो मतलब समटाइम्स आई यूज्ड टू टेक इट, आई यूज्ड टू बिकम अ लिटिल कंप्लेसेंट कि यार हटा दो. बट आई न्यू दैट इफ आई कुड not give importance to this, not give importance to my hand and focus on what the show is trying to tell the audience, then लोगों का उस पर ध्यान जाएगा नहीं. But of course, it's a very, also you have not seen, how should I put it? You have not seen a sick character portrayed in a certain way, like what is being portrayed in this show, which is absolutely brilliant and unique in its own way. So that was challenge तो नहीं है, एक्टर्स के लिए ऐसे रोल्स बहुत कम लिखे जाते हैं. So thank you sir, thank you so much.
thank you for portraying it so well.
And it gets all the more exciting. बाकी I don't want to get into that intellectual conversations about process and all that, जो कई बार एक्टर्स बैठ के बोलते रहते हैं इंटरव्यूज में, but that's their own thing. But for me, I have the deepest amount of gratitude that at least someone could think of a character like Hari Singh Olak and add that element, which of course you have seen it and people will eventually see it. So it gives a little layer to the character, but again, for me, that's not an important thing when I look at the bigger picture of what the show is trying to tell us. The show is trying to tell us much important issues. It's talking about much more issues which are relevant today. And I hope बस उस पे हाथ पे फोकस ना जाए ऑडियंस का.
Ram sir, you're also a director who's known for your 360-degree camera work. तो ये आप चारों को जब पता चला कि राम सर इज डायरेक्टिंग, पहले से ही था कि अरे बाप रे अब तो ये बहुत सारी तैयारी एक्स्ट्रा तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी.
That was the first thing he actually told, I believe, all of us when he kind of said that you all are doing the show. And उसका जो इंटेंसिटी था ना वो तब इतना समझ में नहीं आया है. आई एम टेलिंग यू पर्सनल थॉट मेरा ये था कि हाँ मतलब देख लेंगे, इतना भी क्या ही डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है, ब्रिंग इट ऑन. बट व्हेन वी एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड गेटिंग इनटू इट, our workshops were a lot about this as well. To understand that cameras will be like this, to understand कि cut और action नहीं बोला जाएगा and you will just be in it. To understand it will be a lot impromptu. I feel each one of us are actually so grateful, and I do remember, this is something I'm actually mentioning now, I had spoken to a few actors who worked with Ram sir before. With your permission, I'm saying this, and they told me one thing. They said after you work with him, na, you will get spoiled. फिर तुम बाद में कहीं और जाके तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम आएगी काम करने में. एंड आई से हाँ, लेट्स सी लाइक हाउ नाइस कैन अ डायरेक्टर बी. आई मीन दे आर पुटिंग अस थ्रू सो मेनी वर्कशॉप्स. And now today I get it, and I agree with it. As an actor, you get so spoiled because the kind of liberty that you get because of his 360 process. We don't have a mark to follow. You know, as actors, you're so conscious कि हमारे face पे light आ रही है, are we on mark? If at all you're doing an over the shoulder shot, तो ये cut तो नहीं हो रहा है. If I have to walk and say come on this mark, I'm not on mark, so you have to go here and there. And he doesn't have a process where you'll have a trolley charge, ट्रैक लगा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. So then you realize that while performing, you don't have all these thoughts coming to your head. All you're thinking about is your scene. All you're thinking about is your character. You're reacting to what is being given to you. So your performance automatically is 100 times more organic. Which I agree with, and when I say that you really do get spoiled with his 360.
मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है ये इंटरव्यू हमें सेट्स पे ले लेना चाहिए था.
I wish.
एक शॉट के बाद हम बात कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, एक शॉट के बाद हम बात नहीं कर सकते.
That is true. But I've fed them what to say. ये सब रिहर्स किया है उन लोग ने. हाँ,
मुझे लगा वो ब्रेकफास्ट का असर है.
हाँ, ये basically I've just said you speak nice about me, so you'll be cast in my next film.
नेक्स्ट चलो आपको का हो गया. And anyway, the show is called The Waking of a Nation, which is the waking of actors conversation happening here. So I know we're short of time because I've already been intimidated.
There various looks are coming your way.
हाँ, like ऐसे हो गए हैं.
अच्छा.
तो I want to end this.
दो हाथ नहीं हुए ना, एक ही हाथ हुआ.
दो हुए.
अच्छा, दो
पहले
हुए. अच्छा,
5 मिनट पर एक हुआ, फिर 10 मिनट पर दूसरा हुआ. फिर अब
तो
सीधा
now तो
एंट्री
you're
होता है.
down. दो हाथ हो गए तो प्रॉब्लम.
Hi, this is Nikita Datta.
Hi, this is Taruk Raina.
Hi, this is Sahil Mehta.
Hello, namaste, this is Bhavsheel.
Hi, I'm Ram Madhwani.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.